welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my bird Tilly. Say hi, Tilly. She says hello. Alright, I just wanted to show real quick. I'm so super stoked. I finally finished my bird rope for my bird room, and the birds absolutely love it. They're loving it. Yeah, Viva, you got up on it and everything. All the birds are over here on the new toy. This is awesome. You guys love it? I used an apple tree branch right there. Apple wood. And then this is just regular twine rope. And these are ties, whatever those are called. I just tied it together and boom. There's my rope. Hanging rope. They love it. Yeah, you guys love it. Alright. And I also redid my my cage here. This is my lovebird cage and my conure, my turquoise conure. Right there. Turquoise conure and my lovebird are living together. Only Love sleeps in there. That's my lovebird, Love. So cute. I got him these toys are always a hoop. These ones with the shoe. Okay, always get those for the birds. The birds love the shoes. Alright, come say goodnight to the budgies. This is the budgie cage. I'm going to think about redoing it. Alright, good night, guys. Good night, guys. Alright. Ziva. Ziva, Ziva, 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 Ziva. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go. I love you. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and push the like button if you haven't already pushed the like button. Thank you.